.7 FM. Emo, man, welcome to the show, man.
Yes,
I've been wanting to get you down here for a while, man. I see your name everywhere, man. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, gotta stay grinding, man. Thanks for having me.
Man, absolutely, man. How was your guys' show the other night up there at Shotzi's?
Man, it was decent, man. We had a good turnout. A lot of people came, did their thing.
Good, man. That's what's up, man. So what's new with you, man? What's going on, man?
All right, basically, right now, you know what I'm saying, I just got my LLC for Shot the Globe Entertainment. Shout out to co-CEO Buck. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. We're just trying to keep it moving, man. Get this music thing popping.
Absolutely, man.
All local music tonight, too, by the way.
Yeah, man. Man, I keep forgetting to shout that out.
All local music tonight on the Boombox.
Man, good looking out. Man, I got my boy co-hosting with me all night, man. You got the most respected too, man, but the most requested record on the world famous Boombox right now. Every song that you're hearing tonight on the show, all local music, all local records, all night long. Speaking of that, man, I got one of your tracks here. You're going to be at the show 2 weeks. Haley's Saturday, May 28th. Haley's right here in Everett. Celebrating Rocket getting signed to the Maybach Music Group. Emo's going to be in the house. DJ B Mello. Shout out to DJ B Mello.
Indie Heat, by that
B
Indie
Mello.
Heat.
Yeah, Indie Heat, man. Go get that, man. My boy Mac Wayne up on that record.
Yeah.
Anyway, DJ B Mello, DJ Nanino, young Soprano, who was supposed to be here tonight. Man, where's Soprano at?
I hate it.
Anyway,
man.
yeah, no doubt. Anyway, shout out to young Soprano, Sinatra, Black Senate's going to be in the house, man, but we're here live with Emo, man. You're going to be there, right?
Yes, sir, man. I gotta be there. Do my thing, man. I'm a
Absolutely, man. Man, you want to set this song Champion up for us real quick?
Yeah, basically, man, it's the world premiere Champion. This is for those that been through everything in their life and felt like giving up. In the bottom of your heart, you gotta feel like a champion, or you ain't gonna make it.
I like that, man.
Man, that's what it is, man. Do you want to shoot out a Facebook or anything, man, so people can catch up with you online?
Yeah, you can get at me, matter of fact, get at me on Twitter at the official Emo, or on Facebook, Emmanuel Emo Samuels. And I got Reverb Nation, E.MOE. Get at me, man. I got good music.
Man, that's what it is. Super popular out here in the 425, man. Thanks for coming through again. Man, let's get into the record, man. This is Champion Emo in the house on the Rhyme Hustler. Shout out to my boy Preswell Jackson right here.
in the building.
Yeah,
Building. SDG was good.
You are listening to Boombox 90.7 FM.